came for the research. The Syndicate.
Who? I'll end them tonight. I'm coming for you!
They took everything. The Syndicate. Don't let them win.
I'll burn them to the ground before they take what's left.
He's next.
Physics is your shield, son.
Stay down. Physics doesn't care about your ego.
What the hell?
Help me take down their lieutenant. I'll give you the boss.
Everyone has an angle.
You're just a short video platform trickster.
Thought you lost me? Basic physics, you idiots.
You fight just like your father did.
You?
You set me up!
You still don't get it, do you? Your mentor owed us.
West Docks! He's at the West Docks tonight! You think you're better than me?
Daughter of the man who destroyed my life, start talking.
My father made my mother disappear when she tried to leave the Syndicate. He ordered the fire that killed your family.
We finish this together. No more secrets. On my mark, we run for the door. Don't look back.
Time to go! We will have justice!
This ends tonight from my mentor.
Kai Voss, the Blade Prodigy, come to die like
Together.
For your mother, for both of us. I'm defended like you start. I came to Empire ends here.
You think this is over? There are more like me.
I can't let you keep hurting people. It ends today.
It's over, Father.
Good always wins.
Drama series, Blades of Vengeance.
They took everything. The Syndicate. Don't let them win.
I'll burn them to the ground before they take what's left.
He's next.
Spin follows physics. Physics is your shield, son.
Stay down.
I know who you are. Undercover hunter. It'll cost you everything.
You don't know the half of it!
Stay down.
You think you're better than me?
Basic physics, you idiots.
You fight just like your father did. You?
You set me up! You're just a short video platform trickster.
Science and ego everything. Debt repaid, now back to patrol.
What the hell? Don't you dare touch them again!
You're safe now.